Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Learning the factors of grade for students in the IPS subject of the Merdeka curriculums. Introduction. Education is a core aspect, the character formation and development of all the for students. In the education process, subjects play a key role in impregnating to students, including natural and social sciences atau IPAS, which is part of the independent curriculums at elementary school level. The subject is described to combine selection and social approach to enable students to think clearly, understand nature and social phenomena holistically, and solve everyday life problems. However, in practice, many students struggle to understand such and natural sections materials. This difficulty can stem from a factor stuck as low literary skills, lack of motivation to learn, improvement teach method, and a lack of media or tools to support student understanding. The combination of two different disciplines in social and natural science also presents a unique challenge for students, particularly in understanding absurd complexity and their relationship to real life. This situation is significant connect give that in the independent courses embrace depressed. Students cannot learn if the learning differences are not properly encouraged. The course object will not be further. Therefore, learning is not to delve into the differences students face in learning social and how to address them. Several purposes students have choice more and the activity of independent self-improvement in general. But they have statistically student learning different in sketch. Yet, understand the difference in sketch for decentralized learning start. The raise a gap literature review grading the factors, scores in factors, and how teachers and school connectory understand. The study after to plan a new project by focus on a modeling and connectivity analysis of student learning this factory in social and nature subject. It not only identifies the types of discourse connector but also explains the understanding conduct and socialization from both student and teacher perspective. Therefore, the results of the study are expected to make a deeply contribution to develop of social and other search learning stock the independent curriculums era. Based on the description above, main question: what are the difficulties experienced by student learning steps independent curriculums and what solution can be for over them? This category in realities and approach social both terms of learning approach, teacher support, and the use of media that are more approved to student needs. Reach method. This reach is a qualitative approach with literature review method. This study was coached because the focus of the reach to review and analyze various word search relevant to topic of student. Let discussion in the subject with the independent curriculums. The literature scores review include such journal rich book, education policy documents published with the last 5 years. This literature selection were based on topic relevant the quality of the source and the relevant to the risk variable. Data analysis was conducted through the strategy of investigation, collection, and selection of information. First, the rich collect first literature discuss the independent curriculums, search and culture, and study learning difference. Second, the connect of the literature was category based on specific themes. Stack as the type of diverge causal factory and proposed solution. Third, the rest complete a set of the field by complexing and differential after the literary to obtain a connected victory. The reason of the analysis were the psychology complicated to answer the problem formulation and support the argument the discussion. Next, research and discussion. Study experience disparate understanding social atau APAS material due to complex combination of search and social score comparison. To let to therefore connect the content to every life experience for students with low skills. The third, stuck with material present in the abstract manner that requires depth understanding. Lack of the interest and motivation in learning are significant factors contributing to countries in learning curves. Some students exhibit a passive attitude and lack of earn into learning. Result in low levels of active participant and understanding of the materials. This experiment by the lack and aging and interactive learning approach from teachers. Internal factor of health condition, mental readiness, and individual lifestyle also affects learning discourse. Students who experience the problem or have learning style that implication with teacher method who start having difficulty about social material. A less conductive learning expert stock of supporting care like family support and unsupport also contribute to learning disfactor. Students who lack learning support at home or face social pressure did in experience motivation and contribution in learning. limit availability of learning media and resource out with the independent curriculum is barren to such and such learning process. Teach or struggle to prove a relevant and enrich material resource student not restoring an optimal learning experience. Moderatus and university teaching method cause students to quit, bored, and lose focus. The lack innovative learning structures make the learning process less activity. With the right approach to start using approach learning method, motivation and providing education support, teacher can help students overcome the learning barrier they face. Collaboration between schools and parents is cool in support student learning. Through good communication and mutual support, parents can help creative positive learning and spur at home. With school provide the niche factorial guide to address learning different in start in recommended that teacher developer more interactive learning start tailored to student needs. The of learning media approach of this approve and improve teachers' understanding of independent curriculum can stop approve learning efficacy for more support of parents and sub communities is also could encourage optimal learn condition for students. Quick question. Based in the interactive review and analysis, it can be answered the student first affects first difference in learning social and nature research under the independent curriculum. The differential include complex comparator understanding due to integration of in social and social search material, low learning motivation, limit learning media, and lack or learning start of teacher, lack understanding of the imperator independent curriculums that current learning level and innovative teaching method. To address the issue, collaborative efforts are needed between teachers, students, and parents, including improving teacher completed thought training, provide accurate learning research, and implementing learning structures to student needs. This experience to make change and natural search learning more effective and enjoyable and collaborative. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.